Integrating Facebook lead ads with GoHighLevel streamlines lead management by automatically capturing and nurturing leads within the platform. Follow these steps to set up the integration. Connect your Facebook account. Log into your GoHighLevel account. Navigate to Settings, Integrations. Click on Connect under the Facebook section. Authorize GoHighLevel to access your Facebook account by following the prompts. Select the Facebook page and add account. After connecting, choose the Facebook page and ad account you wish to integrate. Ensure you have admin access to both the page and ad account. Map Facebook lead forms to GoHighLevel. In GoHighLevel, go to Marketing, Facebook Form Fields Mapping. Select the Facebook lead form you want to map. Map each field from the Facebook form to the corresponding field in GoHighLevel. Set up automation for lead follow-up. Navigate to Automation Workflows. Create a new workflow triggered by the submission or the Facebook lead form. Add actions such as sending a welcome email, assigning the lead to a team member, or adding the lead to a nurture sequence. Test the integration. Submit a test lead through your Facebook lead ad. Verify that the lead appears in GoHighLevel and that the automation triggers as intended.